Some of you cannot logically believe this happened. And because you can't understand it, and because in your mind you don't have the proof, you think this is just a bunch of hogwash. Let me just ask you a question. Number one, how much time have you put into studying and finding evidence? I want to listen to you and speak with you. But number two, how pathetic of a God is it if you can understand him? This deconstruction of your faith, more times than not, I don't know the percentage, but it leads to doubt. Why would you ever go into deconstructing your faith? You want to challenge your faith? If you want to challenge your faith, do things for God. If you want to challenge your faith, think things that God thinks. Pray in a ridiculous way. Be more generous than ever. That'll grow your faith. When God tells you to quit something, quit it. That'll grow your faith. He'll prove that he's the provider. He'll take care of you.